Hello, you ravishing creatives. I'm so glad you're joining me today in the studio again. We're going to make luxury cranberry hand and body cream in less than 20 minutes. Are you ready? Because here we go. Hello, it's Catherine and Ashley, and we're back again to make cranberry luxury hand and body cream. How are you, Ashley?
I'm great.
Good. So what we're going to do is take 32 ounces, which is 2 of these containers, of the luxury hand and body cream base put out by Crafter's Choice. And Crafter's Choice is actually a brand that Wholesale Supplies Plus makes. They make their own bases and things. So anytime you see the brand Crafter's Choice, you know that it came from Wholesale Supplies Plus. And what we need to do is get 32 ounces of this hand and body cream. I'm sorry, this luxury hand and body cream. And, whoops. We're going to get both of these containers
In the bowl.
in the bowl. And then we need to microwave them. The recipe says for 90 seconds. We want to do it until the cream is more liquidy, but we don't want to overheat it, huh?
More liquid than foam.
Yeah, is it foamy?
Yeah, it looks like foam. Or like kind of like whipped cream, but like I am not going to eat it.
No, please don't. That would not be a pleasant experience.
Well, yeah, isn't it like
Soap?
Yeah.
Or lotion?
A
It's
cream?
lotion. Yeah, it's a cream. So, holy cow.
Looks like a lot.
Huh?
It looks like a lot.
It does look like a lot. This is supposed to make 4 jars of this. Yes.
For these guys.
And we will have links to all of the products, including the jars, in the description box below. So, we're going to put this in the microwave for 90 seconds, and then we'll be back. Okay, so this just came out of the microwave. The bowl is hot, but we don't think that the consistency or the look of the cream changed very much, but that's all right. So now we're going to take half an ounce of the Cranberry Fizz. But we need a new dropper. We need a new pipette. Okay, we have one. So we need half an ounce of this.
Half an ounce. Oh, that smells good.
That does smell good.
When it said cranberry fizz, I was a little skeptical. But
I think
it
smells
actually smells good.
Yeah. How would you describe it?
Like cranberry?
Like cranberry fizz?
Like cranberry fizz, I guess.
Straight up cranberry fizz. Okay, so
It's sweet, I can tell you that.
that's me.
You're the one that smells sweet,
I'm the
or
one that smells sweet. Okay, and then we need,
vanilla color stabilizer.
yes. Whoops. The lid is off so
Fine.
that we don't have to unscrew it on camera.
Oh, well, now the lid is really
Now
off
it's off.
for a camera.
So we need to do a 1/4 ounce of vanilla color stabilizer. That's dripping all over the place.
It wasn't just me then.
Well, it's kind of dripping all over the place because somebody tried to tilt it, but that's okay.
It's fine, it's fine,
That's
it's
all right.
fine.
It's all good. So we add that. We're going to mix this. Oh, we were supposed to let this sit for 2 minutes. Oops. We were supposed to let that sit for 2 minutes.
You think it would change very much?
It makes sure that it doesn't change the cream. That's why you're supposed to let it sit.
Okay, why are you folding it though?
Because we have to mix it together.
So you can't just like stir it like you stir eggs. You have to like fold it in like.
Well, you can, but I don't want to make a big mess.
I was just asking.
No, I think if I
Was there,
just try
like-
to like stir it,
Yeah.
I'm afraid it's gonna.
I was just asking because like in my head when like things say mix it together, I just like instantly go to that like stirring motion, but I was just didn't know if you were like, oh, fold it because you wanted to get like all the stuff distributed evenly or.
Sure, that's why I
don't
did
know.
it. No, I just did
You
it
just
that
didn't
way.
want to make a mess.
Yeah, because I didn't want it to go over the sides of the bowl. Good question, though. We really should have let that sit for 2 minutes. And now I'm wondering if our lotion isn't going to turn out because we didn't let it sit. It's not wanting to mix in very well. Maybe we should have gotten a larger bowl.
Well, it says mix well, so you might just have to keep mixing until it's all mixed in.
Maybe so. And then we had Evan come down here for a visit. Say hi, Evan.
Hello.
Evan is my oldest son,
That's me.
who has a birthday coming up.
Don't
And we-
remind me, please.
Ooh, happy birthday.
We made him some soap for his birthday.
Now it looks more like cream.
It does look more like cream, and we've gotten most of it mixed in, I think, don't you?
Mm-hmm. There's some on that side. Like on the base. There we go. You can only barely tell because it's like the oil is the one that has like the semi-yellow tint. Like
Yes.
the color stabilizer, no color. Like if you added it right now, you couldn't tell at all if you'd mixed it all in.
All right, so do you want to add, we need to put in 1/8 of a teaspoon of crimson red wine mica powder.
Sorry.
And that should give us some good color to our cream that we have now probably
Over.
changed to yellow. Oopsie.
Changed to yellow.
That's why you put the vanilla color stabilizer in there.
Ah.
And we don't have, this measuring set does not have 1/8 of a teaspoon, so we just have to do 1/2 of the 1/4 teaspoon.
Who knew I would need so much fractions in art?
You do, for soap making, because it's like cooking.
Do I put it in there or are you going to scoop it out of there?
No, just...
I'm actually terrible at fractions.
That's about 1/2. Are you?
Yeah. Like my brain just wants to make them not fractions.
Not fractions?
Yep.
Well, this should mix in pretty easily. It kind of looks speckled.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it would look more,
Like a solid.
yeah, but it looks speckly, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Maybe that's the fizz. Or maybe you just have to keep mixing it and it'll turn just
One solid color.
one solid fizz. Not really. It's looking speckled. Sort of in the middle.
That looks pretty mixed, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. More. It looks more pink now than it did before.
Yes, it does.
So I'm gonna go with yes.
And once this is mixed, All we do is add it to our jars.
And a day in the jar.
That is it.
Boom.
Kind of makes you feel silly for buying store-bought lotion that has all kinds of
Chemicals and preservatives and...
yeah, when it's so easy to make your own lotion. I have lotion on my glove.
a towel.
It doesn't matter.
Ooh, and it looks like silky.
It does. I don't know if you guys can see the luster that's on the cream. Now we're supposed to weigh these out to 7.5 ounces. So,
Do you want to do an on frame?
yeah, please. And that's perfect, 7.5 ounces. I'm not quite sure how that happened. But each of the 4 of these containers gets 7.5 ounces, and then whatever's left will get evenly distributed between each container. Is this the first time you've made lotion, Ashley?
Yeah, this kind at least. I think I watched a video when we were trying to figure out what we were going to do another craft on. I watched a couple of those lotion videos.
Yeah.
But this is like my first time like making it, being involved in the creative process. Or so you say.
Process.
Yeah, I've never done like, I don't want to say like artsy fartsy, but like I've never done anything like that.
Frou-frou. That's what my dad used to call it, is frou-frou.
Not discrediting. I love art. I love being an observer. I've just never created myself.
Why not?
Didn't know how. Didn't know where to start.
Well, you're in the right place now.
Seems like it. I've gotten to create 2 crafts with you so far.
That's only on camera. You've been a busy soap-making bee off camera, haven't you?
Yeah, my favorite thing is to heat the soap.
That's your favorite part?
Yeah.
I think my favorite part is adding the scent and the special stuff that can go into soap to make it good soap.
Or like the loofah scrub.
Yeah, and the
soap that we made.
vitamins and... Okay, so this is what we've got that's left over. So we will split this between the containers somewhat evenly if possible. I wish Becca was here to help us.
I know. Woo!
Becca is crafter extraordinaire.
She's what you call artsy fartsy.
Yes, she is. She takes after her mama. I think that this one got a little bit too much, yeah. Okay, so we will wrap this up. That was very easy, was it not?
Yeah, it was. Especially for like a newbie, like that's something I could do at home.
Absolutely. It's your luxury hand and body cream base, basically, and 3 ingredients. Your scent,
stabilizer.
Yep.
And
color. That's it. And that's how you make lotion. We're going to wait for these to totally cool. We'll put our lids and our labels on, and they're good to go. Someone is going to have some good smelling lotion to use very soon, which is good. So thank you for joining us. We will see you again in next Sunday's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching us make lotion, and I hope that you try this recipe yourself. Make sure to tag me on any of my social media channels if you do try to make this lotion. Thank you, Ashley, for helping.
Anytime.
And I will see you guys next week. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.
See you guys.
Bye. We are so glad that you were able to join us for making this luxury cranberry hand and body cream. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll check out the 2 that are on your screen right now. Have a great week. I will see you in the next video. Take good care. Bye.